Okay, before we do anything else, let's go ahead and install that font I provided you with. So you probably have to go into your downloads folder and open up the Monserat. So it's really, there's a lot in here. I would suggest just installing just the top ones, none of the alternative ones. The Monserat alternative is actually sort of an ugly font. I think I might have it open. Well, no, I don't. So just do like the top ones that just say Monserat with a dash, not the Monserat alternatives. And so to install these, you just double click on the OTF file and then do install font. Sometimes this happens. Usually it's not a big deal. And just go down the list and install each one of these. You may not have this extra window pop up. I think I might be getting that because I already have them installed on my computer. But you should be able to install this Monserat font without a problem. You just have to double click and push install font on all of them. There's quite a few, so it might take you a little bit, but I'm just going to go down the list and make sure I have all of these installed, and then when I get to the alternatives, I'm not going to continue to install. So now I have actually installed all of the Monserat fonts. I didn't go ahead and do the alternatives, although I think earlier I have done that. So this might be a good time for you to potentially do a file, save as. Let's go into our documents, and then let's go to Graphic Design 350 folder that we created in our documents. If I can find it. Where is it? Here it is. So you can call this like booklet, so you can create a new folder. I'm calling it booklet follow along, but you can call it booklet. Let's go inside there and let's do booklet follow. You can call it booklet follow along, I guess. Make sure it's an InDesign file, push save. So we saved that. You can see what it's named up here, booklet follow along.indd. That means InDesign file. Let's go ahead and quit InDesign for now. Because sometimes when you install a font, you need to close out the program or even restart your computer. I'm not going to go ahead and restart mine. You might want to restart yours. And then start up InDesign again. And then we'll just do a file, open recent booklet follow along.indd, that same file we started. Okay, now we're back in InDesign, back on our booklet, and we should have that font installed now. So the Monserat font that we're working with, that's what we have installed on our computer now. So next up we'll do a list of paragraph styles that we're going to use to format different parts of the booklet for the different fonts of the booklet. So we'll go to Window, Styles, Paragraph Styles. To open the Paragraph Styles menu, panel, and then go to the main menu, the stacked line menu up here, and select New Paragraph Style. This little box is going to open up, and we will change the name, the style name, to title. And then we're going to select the basic character formats option off to the left. And then we're going to choose like the following settings, which will be, font family will be, oops. So I just highlighted this, Monserat. And we're going to do a bold one, so maybe black right here. And then we're going to do the size up to, let's say, 25 point, maybe 26. let's make it 26. Tracking, we'll make it, maybe we'll just enter it in 25. And then case will be all caps. And then the character color, we're going to change the color over here. So we're going to go with the medium color swatch that we created. So here you can see it. And then we're just going to push. And the style name is still title. And then we're just going to push OK. And we're going to do this a couple more times. So we're going to create a new paragraph style. We're going to change the style name to deck, D-E-C-K. We're going to go back into that basic character formats option. We're going to change this to Monserat. So let's highlight and then start typing in Monserat. And we're going to use regular. I think we're just going to leave it at regular. And then we're going to make this 18 points, and the tracking on this will be 25. And the character color option down here, we're going to change that to medium as well. And then push OK. And then we're going to do another one, new paragraph style. We're going to change the name to copy. And then we're going to go to the basic character formats, highlight this, Monserat. Let's do light. And we will make the size 9 point. Let's make the leading 12. And the tracking can be 10. We'll enter that in manually, you just have to highlight it. Select the indents and spacing option on the menu to the left. And set the space between paragraphs using the same style. .1 inches. So that would be right here, and 0.1 inches. That's right here, space between paragraph using same style. And then we're going to go to character color. And we're going to choose the dark option here, and then push OK. We're going to do one more, new paragraph style, and set the style name to pull quote. So shift P-U-L-L quote. It doesn't matter if you don't get this capitalized. And then the basic character formats option, use the following settings. So we will do Monserat. How about a semi-bold? Maybe the size can be around 19. Tracking can be 10. Character color over here. We're going to change the character color. Set the color to paper. So right here, which is white. And then push OK. And one more, new paragraph style. Full folio, page, and then number. And then basic character formats, highlight this, start typing in Monserat. Let's go with a bold, size 8 point, tracking, just going to bring it up to 100, and character color, we're going to go with the medium, and then push OK. And then new paragraph style, folio, section. Go to the basic character formats and use the following settings of Monserat. We're going to do light. Actually, let's do extra light. And size 420 and tracking at 10. Character color down here. We're going to do the light and then push OK.